What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to edit your pictures. For example, in this picture I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to wear everyone gloves. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. Or like in this picture, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to wear me a suit, just like this. Or in this on this equipment, I don't want to see these people on the equipment, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to remove those guys there, and you have this result. Isn't this beautiful? You can do all of this right in ChatGPT. So let me show you how you can do that. So just open your browser, okay? Open your browser and go to chatgpt.com, as you can see on the screen. So when you open that, just log in with your Google account and you have the interface, or you can as well use the WhatsApp platform of ChatGPT. To do that, just enter this link. I'm going to leave all the links in the description of this video. So enter the chatgpt.com/link/WhatsApp and you hit enter on your keyboard and it's going to load. Okay, once it does that, just click on continue to chat, and it's going to open on WhatsApp. And once it does that, okay, let me just hit it and allow it to open on WhatsApp. So you can see this is ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So for me, let me just make use of the WhatsApp platform. You can use anyone. So all you just have to do is select the picture you want to work on. So you can just ask it to do anything. Just imagine it's going to do it for you. So let's start with this first picture here. As an engineer, you shouldn't be working without gloves. All right. So I saw this picture and I said, hey, I can ask ChatGPT to actually wear me some gloves and wear this other guy's gloves. So that's what I want to do. So I'll just talk to ChatGPT as if you are asking him a favor. Okay. So let's see. Please help me make every worker in this picture wear safety gloves while maintaining every other detail of the picture. Okay. Apart from wearing them gloves, yeah, apart from wearing them safety gloves, I think that should be fine. So let's see what the result will look like. Although I've shown you guys the results before now, but that's the process. So let's wait so it takes about 2 minutes for ChatGPT to produce the image it has worked on. So just about 2 minutes. And you can also see the reply it gave that I'm currently working on creating that image. Okay, it might take a bit. So yeah, and we have it. We have the result here. So you just go ahead and download the results. And as we can see, the result is so wonderful, because if you compare the result to the original picture, look at the placement of the hand, the same, you know. Look at look at the equipment I was holding. The plate is exactly the same thing, no difference. Look at this man's hand here, the placement of the hand. I mean, everything is just beautiful. And this other person here, perfect. Okay, because these details are very important. And take a look at even the iron beside which these other guys are resting on, the same. You can see, look at those cables over there. They are still existing in the image he produced. Look at the shadow, even the shadow of the guys in the picture. Everything came out, and it came out well. All the gloves are there and they are worn properly. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is something you can use. Okay, so let's try something else. Let me use my picture this time around, and I'll just ask ChatGPT to change my clothes to a suit. And Let's see how it's going to do it, and let's just compare the result from the original picture. So kindly make me dress in a navy blue suit, white shirt, and a black tie in this picture, okay? While maintaining every other properties of the picture, okay? You can just explain, give more description and all of that. So once you are done typing your description, just send the picture to ChatGPT with the description, and it's going to start working on it as usual. And here is the result. This is beautiful. I mean, this is wonderful. Look at it. Look at it. Everything is the same. Everything is the same, apart from the fact that I'm now wearing a suit here. This is wonderful. Yeah, this is good. Mm-hmm. Apart from the fact that I can't find my gap teeth any longer here. My gap teeth is missing. But apart from that, every other thing is fine. Yeah, every other thing is looking good. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try something else. So uh the possibility is endless here. You can do a lot of picture editing with this AI, ChatGPT. You can do a lot. And you can also ask ChatGPT to help you write prompts to edit or to achieve certain things. Okay. For example, here, I I asked ChatGPT to, give me to create a prompt for me, which I can use to change my clothes to suits. I just wanted to see the difference from the result I got. Okay, so it has created the prompt for me. So you can copy the prompt you asked it to create for you, and use it. So let me just make use of this prompt ChatGPT generated for me and see the difference. So I'm just going to use this same source image, the original image. I'm going to use it and then replace the prompt I used earlier, which I wrote myself, with the one ChatGPT generated for me, and I'll send both of them to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the result. Let me see. It's almost the same thing. It's the same thing, and the same thing. Yeah, it's still the same thing. I can't find my gap teeth. That's very painful. Yeah, but this is amazing, right? This is really amazing. Okay, let me try something else. Let's look for another picture. Um, this time around, let me use this my picture that I wasn't wearing a hard hat. So I'll ask you to wear me a hard hat. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, so I'll go ahead and send it. And voila, it has won a white hat, like I explained. Anyways, my face is not looking exactly like me, but then it's manageable. It's something. At least it did what I asked it to do. It wore me had that, which is fine. But the facial looks are not, it didn't maintain it 100%, and that's where it's lacking for now. So just manage it for now. So for me, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, look at it. Look at the results. They are just amazing. So let's try something else. Um, Let me select another picture. Okay, this is a coil tubing unit. And for example, maybe we don't want those guys sitting up there to be there. Maybe I wanted to use this picture and I don't want to see people sitting on it. So just to upload it and ask ChatGPT to remove those people on it and still maintain every other properties of the picture, and it's going to work on it. So yeah, that's what I wrote, and I'll just send it to the AI chatbot, and it's going to work on it as usual. And voila, there it is. You can see right even before downloading the picture, you see that those guys are no longer there. So, but let's just compare the two. This is beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful. This is every other thing just looks the same. Look at the tree behind there. Is it a tree? Sorry. Something like a coconut tree or something. It's still here too. It maintained that tree. You see? Those guys I said he should remove. He removed them. They are no longer there. Look at the surrounding. It's almost the same thing with the original picture. Look at. Look at. Isn't this wonderful? Look at the coil. Everything. The same thing. I mean, this is beautiful. So that will be all for this tutorial. Please, if you find this video very helpful and educating, do well to share it, like the video, and also subscribe. Okay, it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.